Hello, I am going to show you how to replace a whole house water filter. As you can see, this one is kind of dirty. If you're interested in getting this whole system and or the water filter, I'll leave link in the video, and if you are gonna buy them anyway, I would appreciate it if you use my link. Also, I have a separate video that I did about a whole house water system. Why is it important to install it in your house? I'll leave a link somewhere at the top. First thing you want to do is to turn water off on both sides. This one is already shut off. And one quick tip, I just leave this tool that make it easier to open this container with and the valve right here, so I don't lose it. Now let's shut this side off. Make sure you have a container that can collect any water that drip out. Put your tools in. I'm gonna have to use both hands to do this. I'm gonna loosen up a little bit and come back. Now that it's loose, you can take it out with one hand. Again, don't forget to put a container down to collect the water. Now take out the dirty filter. You can see it keeps out a lot of contaminant that could go inside of your house, and it's definitely time to change it. Now dump out this water. This is the filter I'm gonna be using. It's slightly different, but it's the same size. Again, I will leave link in the description below. I would really appreciate it if you use my link to purchase any of those items. The new filter is in, and look at the comparison. Now all you do is screw back this compartment back into place, and everything should line up. Again, I'm gonna have to use both hands to screw this back into place tight. Everything is back together. Now let's turn on the water line. Now look at everything that just came in, and they are not able to get inside of the house. Anything after this water filter will not be able to get inside of the house. And now let's turn on the side that go inside of the house. Again, quick tip, if you don't want to lose any of your tool, just keep it close to wherever you usually work. So this is kind of light, this is why I keep it here so I don't lose it. So everything is done. This is how easy it is to replace your whole house water filter. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.